Let's discuss the difference between aggregate expenditure and planned aggregate expenditure. First, let's talk about aggregate expenditure. The equation is Y equals consumption plus investment plus government spending plus net exports. Planned aggregate expenditure is PAE equals consumption plus planned investment plus government spending plus net exports. Let's figure out the difference. Aggregate expenditure has an actual investment. It's the amount of new capital investment and actual inventory changes. Planned aggregate expenditure has planned investment. This is the amount that firms decide to put in formation of new capital and inventory accumulation. The difference between PAE and Y is the same as the difference between planned and actual inventory. What's inventory? Inventory is the stock of goods that a company produces now but doesn't sell immediately. Let's look at this scenario. When planned aggregate expenditure is less than aggregate expenditure, it looks like this. Our planned inventories were smaller than our actual inventories. This indicates that there is weak demand and firms sold less output than they planned to sell in this period. Therefore, output will be reduced in the next period. Let's look at the opposite scenario. Planned aggregate expenditure is greater than aggregate expenditure. So we look at the model. Planned inventory is greater than what our actual inventory was. In this case, there was less inventory left than we had planned for. This indicates that there is strong demand and firms sold more output than they planned to sell. Therefore, output will be increased in the next period.